tag along for the project and let's see what it's going to look like when I'm done. Hi, welcome back to my cottage garden. Actually, I haven't had so much time for this garden since I got the keys, because I've tried to clean in the house and wipe the floors and wash away all the bird poo and make it more livable. So today I'm going to start my first project in the garden, and I'm going to remove some of the lilacs here. I have so many lilacs, and this one is growing so close to the house, so it's not letting in any light on the upper floor, and also it takes too much space. Behind this one there are so many nice trees, so I'm going to remove some of it and keep some of it, and hopefully it's going to be a good result. And I'm going to remove some of the bushes around my huge tree, because it's I think it's around 200 square meters of thorn bushes there, and it's basically a sanctuary for wild boar and deers, and I don't want them close to my garden. So I'm going to remove them as well, not all of them, but I'm going to at least take some of them away and try to open up around the trunk of the tree, so I have more chance to see what's under, because as it is now I just see branches and bushes and I have no idea really what it looks like. So tag along for the project and let's see what it's going to look like when I'm done. If you have any questions, please put them below, and if you want to guess beforehand if it's going to be a good thing or a bad thing removing these lilacs, please write your comment, and then we'll see. If I was wrong, I will let them grow back, and if it was the right decision, I will dig the roots up so they don't come back next year. So let's go. So today is the second day of this project. Last night we worked until it got pitch dark, and it was around 10 or 10:30 p.m. and this is the result. I think it looks fantastic because it's so much more space now, and you can see the big maples in the back and the nice trunks, and also, I mean, it's so much more light coming into the second floor of the house, and it feels so much better. It felt a little bit cramped before, but now I'm really satisfied with the result. So please comment below what you think, if you think this was a good idea, and I hope you will join me on the second part of this as well, when I'm going to remove all of the thorn bushes around the big tree. So if you don't subscribe to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the little bell for notifications every time I release a new video. See you around. Bye!